So we're reaching a time of the year when many people annually gather with family and friends and celebrate the holidays. Can imagine that they're going to look different this year. Can you give any insight into what they might look like?
Yes, I'm happy to. So 2020 is definitely a different year, and our holidays have to be different this year. Just the concept of people coming from out of town or from different households mixing and mingling together and celebrating is just really a breeding ground for a pandemic. And I strongly advise everybody to have these holidays just with their own household. That is the safest thing to do. Avoid traveling, especially areas in the country that have horrendous outbreaks at the moment. So travel will really increase local load after the holidays.
Thank you. And can you share, I think I'm aware that the state allows gatherings to occur. Our county has taken a stricter approach, and that sounds like that will be going on through the holidays as well. Can you give some more insight into that decision making?
Yeah, I'm happy to. The state opened up gatherings to allow for up to 3 households to meet with wearing a mask outdoors initially, not for too long. And they came out with that on October 9th with change in the state health order. And in Santa Barbara County, we felt strongly that would be the wrong guidance to give. And we held on to the no gatherings allowed at the moment. And we feel vindicated at this point because so many states in California have reverted back to a more restrictive tier. Just 11 states alone on Tuesday, and many more states even before. And that was directly time-wise related to 2, 3, 4 weeks after this opening up for gatherings. And that's why we want to stay with the more restrictive no gatherings through the end of the year.
Thank you very much. So the holidays this time of the year, for some they might be happy that gatherings are not permitted, but for others this may be a very difficult time where memories are in store of how they've always been celebrated and we'll be missing that time. Is there anything you can share that might add maybe a light at the end of the tunnel of what we're working towards and why this is so important?
Yeah, at the moment we are in the red tier, which allows some businesses to open even in limited capacity. And our schools are allowed to open as soon as they feel comfortable doing so. And so there's a lot of things at stake. If we were to revert back to purple, our restaurants have to close for indoor operations, our schools cannot open anymore. It would be really a big backlash, and we want to avoid that. We want to go towards the orange tier. One thing that is really on the horizon that makes me very excited is vaccines are coming out. Hopefully by the end of the year or latest early next year in January 2021, we will have some vaccines. Not for everybody yet, that will take time. But there is definitely light at the end of the tunnel. We will have a very different landscape in the spring and the summer once we are able to vaccinate people and make them immune to this virus.